All right. Hey guys, welcome to Actuary Sense, and today is the first lecture on SQL, and we will cover each and everything related to SQL for actuaries. So we will start with the basics, then intermediate level, then advanced level, and then definitely pro level. When I say pro level, it simply means that how we can connect our Excel with the SQL, how we can connect the Python with SQL, and the more advanced or more pro level will be how we can connect SQL, Python, and Excel. All these three applications, that is Excel, Python, and SQL, all of these three at the same time. Or maybe we can create a macro regarding that will pull out the data, perform some analysis, then do some kind of predictive modeling, and then throw out the results in a specific format. So we will cover each and everything in this course related to SQL. And today is our first lecture, so let's begin. So first of all, we will go to Google Chrome and I will type download Microsoft SQL Server. We can go to this link. So right now in this first video, we are going to install. So over there, we can see there are two different versions. One is developer mode and the second one is the Express. So we will go to the Express mode and click on download now. So it will be around, I think, 6 or 7 MB of application, and then we can just install this one. So there are two different applications that we have to install. So this is the first one, and right now it is downloading. Yeah, so just to save your time, okay, so we have over here three different options. So we have to click on basic and then accept the agreement. Then over there it is going to install this. Okay, so I will click on install. So it will take around 3-4 minutes. So I will skip this part for you to save your time. All right, so the installation is completed. It has taken around 4-5 minutes. So now you can see that this is your connection string, this is your log folder, media folder, and something. You don't have to worry about these things. So now if you want to ensure that whether your SQL server is installed correctly or not, just click on this connect now, and you can see over there, if you are able to see this line Microsoft SQL server and your version, so currently it is 15.0. Okay, so it means that it has been installed successfully. And then you can go to click on this install SSMS. So SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. So it will go to this link. And now we are going to download this second application that we have to download. This is SQL Server Management Studio. So this is SQL Server. And now we are going to download SQL Server Management Studio. So you have to click on this link. I think it is around 600 to 700 MB of file. Okay. So I don't have to download this, but you have to download this because I have already downloaded it in my folder. So make sure that you will download this, and I have saved it over here. You can see like 691 MB of file. So I can just install this. Again, it is also pretty straightforward. Make sure you will download this using this link. All right. And for the SQL server, we can just close this, and in the backend, yeah, so we will click on yes, and then yeah, so you can see over here you have, so it is the location where it is going to save these files. So you have to click on install. Again, it will take around 4-5 minutes to be downloaded completely. All right, so I can skip this particular part of the installation time for saving your time. All right, so the installation is completed. Then you will get the message over here that the setup is completed. Then click on close. So now we have downloaded both the applications. So let's open it. So you will go to the start menu and type SSMS, which means SQL Server Management Studio. Then you can run it as an administrator. So I will click on this link. And so for the first time, it will take a little bit time. to open. So there are various SQL that we can learn, such as we are going to work on SQL Server, and there are more different applications such as Oracle and PostgreSQL and MySQL. But my favorite is this one, that is SQL Server Management Studio, because it is more user friendly and it is being used by a lot of companies, especially the actuarial based companies as well. And there are a lot of different things that you can learn, and even the graphical user interface is pretty amazing as compared to other one. So let's wait until this will open. All right, so it is opened now. So you can see over here that the server name is something like this: desktop JSGD something. It might be in your case as well, but you have to change the server name first of all. So what you have to do is you can go to browse for more, uh, expand this database engine, then you will find your name over there. So like I think it is the name of your computer, so you will find Kamal Sardana SQL Express. Similarly, in your case, it will be your name. So you have to select this database engine, click on OK, and let it be the Windows authentication. All right. And then you can click on connect. So it will connect to this server name, that is Kamal Sardana, which is my local machine computer name as well. Okay. So now, so our application has been installed successfully. So these are our database, which is currently nothing. So these are just the system database, and this is also nothing. So now we are going to import our first database. How can we do that? So in our whole course, we are going to work on a specific database that has been provided to us by the Microsoft, and it is open source. When I say open source, it means that it is free, so we can definitely download it. So let's go to Google Chrome, and I will type download Northwind database Microsoft. Okay. All right. So you will go to this link, and okay. So this is the Microsoft website. Okay. And get the Northwind sample database. So they are saying you have to go to this link. So it will take me to the GitHub. What is GitHub? We will cover in some other video. So you will go to this link, and we are going to download this northwind.sql. So I will click on this link, and then I will click on download over here. So I am going to copy this whole particular code. All right. So I have selected this whole code, then Control C. So after pressing Control C, you have to click on new query, and this box will open where you are going to write your query. So basically this code that is in our GitHub, let me open that once again. So northwind.sql. So this code is saying that we are going to create our database, and then we are creating some tables over here. So this is the table name employees, and these are the column names and about their data types, and then the values are also over here. So this whole code is so we are going to paste this whole code over here. So Control V, and I will execute this query now. So it will take 3 4 yeah. So the query is executed successfully, you can see that. So now if I will so if you see over here, the Northwind database is present, and if it is not visible in your case, you have to right click and then click on refresh, and it will be there. Okay. So our query is executed successfully. So now if I expand my database Northwind, I will expand my tables, and over there you can see categories, customers, employees, and so on. So these are the different tables. So suppose I want to see the results of the customers table. So I will go to customer table, dbo.customers, right click and select top 1000 rows. You can execute this query. So these are the predefined functions available for you where the query will be written automatically. But we will also learn how we can write our own query. That is the main objective of this course. So you can see that the query is executed and these are the details of the customers, company name, contact name. So this is all hypothetical data which is being provided to us by the Microsoft. Okay. And the name of that database is Northwind. All right. So suppose if I want to download, let's say, one more database, that is, I think there are, okay, so there is one more database, that is pubs. So let's bring the pubs database as well, which is this one. Okay, then you will click on this row and over there we have this whole code. Control C. Again, we will write a new query and we will paste this whole code. Just to make sure we will copy this correctly. Yeah, Control C and Control V, and I will now execute this. Yeah, so query is executed successfully. So now you can see that it is not visible over here. So what I have to do is right click and refresh, and there you go. So we have a new database, that is pubs. So again, this is also open source database which is available. Then you will expand your tables and you can see a lot of different tables over here. So suppose if I open the discounts, so right click and select top 1000 rows. But if the table has less than 1000 rows, then you will only see those values. So there are only 3 values over here. Okay. So we have learned now how we can import any database, right, from the Google or from any website where the particular source code or a source query is written. Now the next thing is, suppose I want to take a backup of this database. I don't want this database, that is pubs, on my SQL server right now, just to save my storage space. So I will right click, then go to task and then go to backup. So when I click on backup, it will give me the default path that, all right, that you can save your file in the .back version. .back means like a backup version in this particular folder. So suppose, like, let's say I can remove this and I will save it in my own path. So I will go to this link over there and so right now in my C drive, I will go to program files, then Microsoft SQL Server, and then backup. Okay, so let's say I want to save it over here, but definitely you can go to any other your own personal drives and you can save it over there as well. So let's save it over here, that is in MS SQL backup. Then you will write the name of your file, pubs, and I will type .bak in the end because this is .back version, which means so it is like a backup. So click OK, then click OK, then click OK, and the backup of database pubs completed successfully. So now I can remove this database from here. Click on close existing connections as well, click on OK. All right, so now it is deleted. So I can check that. I will go to my C drive and program files, then Microsoft SQL Server, then over here MS SQL backup, and click on continue. And you can see that this file is saved over here. Okay, so now my next task and the last task for this video is that I want to restore this database back to MySQL. How can I do that? So again, I will go to database. I will go to restore database, and a window will pop up right now. Yes. So click on device, these 3 dots, and click on add. And then you can go to that specific link that is in the backup and select this file, click on OK, then click on OK, and it is executing right now. Click on OK, and the database pubs is restored successfully. All right, so in this video we have learned how we can install SQL Server Management Studio, how we can import the open source database which is available to us by Microsoft, and how we can save our database as a backup and delete it from here, and how then we can import it back to this SQL server. So I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this video, then definitely you can follow me on LinkedIn by the name Kamal Sardana, and you can follow our page as well on LinkedIn by the name Actuary Sense. All right, so I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.